Hey guys, Justin here, Two Stall Garage. I bought this. I am working on the 1994 F350 one-ton dually pickup truck with the 7.3 liter diesel. It's the turbo diesel IDI version. Only came out 2 years, I believe 93 and 94. So it's kind of a rare gem. And it's the 7.3 OBS, of course, so that's fun, right? And I bought the Topside Creeper NXT G3. And the reason I bought it is because I'm taking the turbo off and I cannot get my hands around to get the last few nuts and bolts off of that turbo assembly. It's hard to lay down on it, you know, with the radiator, the hood latch jamming into your abdomen, putting your knee on the battery, but then where do you put your other knee on the radiator maybe? Just difficult. So I've made good progress, and we haven't done a video on this for a while. I've been waiting for about 2.5 weeks to get back to the 1-ton, but today could be the day. First, we got to get this Topside Creeper assembled. Let's go do that. Thanks for hanging out today, by the way. It's always kind of interesting starting off with just a cardboard box. You kind of wonder, depending on where you got it, if what's inside of that cardboard box is going to be of good quality or if it's going to be of bad quality. And every single one of us who have ordered something online knows just that. I sprung a little extra. I think I paid an extra $50, $60 for an upgraded version of this. There's like 3 or 4 tiers, and I think I'm on tier 3 out of 4. So that is what I thought was the best fit for me. I'm gonna get this open and I won't waste your time, okay? Ta-da! Did I do the camera magic the right way? So anyways, I got this piece, which is 2 pieces together. I think it just needs to stay that way. So we'll count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some foam pieces, and the seat or the cushion part that you lean across. Now we'll take a look at the hardware that comes with this. Crystal, how you doing? You good? You're a good kitty, laying on your blankie. As soon as I start petting Crystal, Moose gets all jealous. Don't you, buddy? Here's what we got. Padding, casters, all the miscellaneous hardware. Not too much, actually. I don't know if that's a tool belt, possibly. Then the instructions right here. This is what we're going for in the end. You can see our list. And I'm going to do that without you because you can see how it goes. If you're looking at this right now, let's take you right through. Starting off, it's all pretty straightforward in my personal opinion. Well, it took me about 30 minutes to put together, so not so bad. I never know if this microphone is working, so I'm just going to talk abnormally loud. But the instructions, I mean, there's just visuals. It doesn't tell you what to do. It says it's a 2-person project, and it's got a clock on it that shows straight down at the 30-minute mark, like 12:30. So I'm assuming that means it's a half-an-hour job, not that you have to start it at noon or midnight. Anyways, look at this thing. It goes all the way up here. This is the tallest that it can be adjusted. So it is, I'm 6'1" and a half, if we're keeping score. Put this back. And I've got everything locked. One of the things that I don't really like is it doesn't have like slip washers. Boy, that's tall if I want to go all the way up there. It says keep hands and fingers clear while adjusting the height. Okay, good grief. I don't trust this up here, do you? Ugh, look at this thing. Do you honestly think that I should lean? No way. Like, I want to make sure if I'm going to fall, that I fall onto an engine. It's like I'm way up here. That is a tall Topside Creeper. Now I'm gonna use it way down lower, so I'm gonna hop down here real quick. This is the height if you're working on monster trucks, I guess. Topside creeper, NXT, generation 3 it says right here. You've got a little toolbox and I like that. You know, it'll be good if you want to drop something in there while you're up there instead of turn around and try to throw it behind you. It's got pads all over the place. So the points that move would be like this point right here, and there's no washer in there. It's just the nut and it's just the bolt head. I'd like it if there was a washer in between there just to help with the articulation with it moving back and forth, because otherwise you're kind of just metal on metal moving stuff around. Ah, here is this. That would make me feel a little better. Push it up and it go in there. Maybe. Are you going to? You gonna go in? Huh? Well, I'll get it. So you've got your lock points up here. Pull it out, right in there. Huh. I might have to adjust this just a little bit. Doesn't want to fit in there right off the bat. But that would make me feel more comfortable. So I'm probably, you can see how it's fitting right there. Just a little bit off. May have to just widen that out a little bit. And that is about all I have for you guys. Should we see how it works on the 1-ton? We might as well. There's chickens out there, but we'll fight them, okay? Okay, I got an update here. It is so windy outside, guys, and I got to compete with those chickens. Look at the wind just hurling out there. We're under a wind advisory. And I've got Dad's Wrangler bumper sitting here. I don't want to move that around and scratch it up. I've got the Jeep's bull guard sitting right there. But I did take some time. I took a drill bit and I just widened that out a little bit. So that's good on both sides now. Goes right in and out. Topside creeper, tell me what you guys think. We're going to use this. This means that we can keep working on the 1-ton now, and I can lean over. I've got a bunch of stuff right here from the 1-ton. Just about have the turbo off. Those are some fender flares for the Jeep Liberty CRD type stuff. And there's Crystal. Crystal, hi. Well guys, that's gonna do it. I hope you had a good day today, or if you're just getting started, I hope you have a good day. Topside creeper, I never really wanted one until I started working on the 1-ton. Those Jeep Liberties are a whole lot easier to reach all around in the engine bay. Might even come in handy for something like that, so I don't have to stretch so far. But definitely, we're gonna get back on the 1-ton now. Thanks for being here. From our garage to yours, I hope it was encouraging just to watch a video and hang out. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.